Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my weekly cleaning routine. This is all the chores that I try to get done weekly. It most of the time doesn't happen, but I really try. So I am starting in my laundry room, which is what you're watching right now, and my laundry room is the grossest room in my house. So I really try to get in there once a week and sweep and mop and also just kind of like tidy up in there. This is where the litter box is. I did the litter box off camera. I didn't think you guys would be interested in that. But honestly, like this is just a gross room. Like right next to the litter box is actually a walkout to the backyard. So a lot of times like mud gets tracked into this room. So yeah, I like to get in there and I like to sweep and mop and give the room like a nice once over. Sometimes I do this, actually, I would say with all these chores, sometimes they happen multiple times a week, or sometimes they happen every 10 days. It's kind of just how dirty my house is. So that's why I like to give just kind of like a nice generalization that this is a once a week thing. And also, generally, I do these chores like throughout the week. For the sake of this video, I did these all like within 2 days just for filming purposes. But generally, I like to do one big chore like per night, just for your reference. From there, I move into the bedrooms. And in the bedrooms, again, and I want to emphasize this is not a deep clean. So in the bedrooms, I kind of just do like a general tidy up, like taking out any dirty laundry, dusting, and I did not dust last weekend or last week at all since we had just got back from vacation, and then we had my daughter's birthday party, and then we went to Vermont. Like things have been crazy. So my bedroom, or both of our bedrooms rather, are very dusty. But yeah, that's what I like to do in the bedrooms. I like to get in there. I like to change the bed sheets. I like to, again, just kind of give the room like a nice once over. Dusting, vacuuming, doing windows and mirrors. And I would like to apologize in advance for the state of my bedroom. You'll see that there's clothes like over near my bed, kind of just thrown on the floor. And I'm actually getting ready to film another like wardrobe purge, declutter, like closet organization. So make sure you stick around for that video. But this is what I'm doing in the bedrooms. And I'm also taking out the trash because that's important. And I do that pretty much throughout the entire house is I take out any trash. I really try to focus on that because nobody likes full trash cans.
was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong, pushing to my own song. But you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still. You came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still.
So now I am moving into my kitchen, and once a week what I like to do is give all of the appliances a good wipe down. Again, this is not a deep clean, and I actually didn't even do like my stove, because I would consider like my stovetop pretty much a daily chore. I would say I do that 3 to 4 times a week, just kind of as needed. But as for the rest of the appliances, I definitely like to get in there once a week and just again give them a good wipe down. And as you know, we are finished with our kitchen remodel, so I am trying my darndest to keep this kitchen looking fly. So every week I do try to get in there and I try to wipe all the cabinets down. If I see any spots that really need it, I will definitely get in there and like just scrub and just try to keep my kitchen as nice as possible. Like I said, I also like to do the appliances, and for anybody wondering, these little like letters that you just saw on my fridge with the little animals, I got that at the Target dollar spot, and I think that is like the perfect addition to like a preschool routine or something like that. Like I think that's just a fun, really cute way to learn your ABCs. So Target dollar spot is a great place. So I'd also like to add that I do go through my pantry and fridge and wipe everything down and organize them once a week. Unfortunately, I already did that this week before I filmed this video, but I'm just showing you like kind of just like a quick wipe down. But I do like to go through and like take inventory and wipe down my pantry and fridge. So that is it for the kitchen. I also do the floors in the kitchen, and I also take out the trash, and I actually really like to like wipe down my trash can and give it a good scrub. Our trash, I don't know why. I feel like we're just really gross people, but like our trash can, oh my God, it is so stinky. So at least once a week, I will go in and wipe out our trash can. Sometimes I will actually put it in the tub and like put, you know, like some heavy duty like Lysol cleaner in there, but for the sake of this video I just did like a quick wipe with like an all-purpose cleaner. Then I'm moving on to floors, and then I'm actually going to go into the dining room and do the same thing. The dining room, again, I like to get in there once a week and mop the dining room floor since that's a pretty high traffic area for us. And I also like to wipe down the windows and the glass sliders that we have in the dining room and living room.
My first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face, but what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life.
then moving on to the last part of my weekly cleaning routine is I like to declutter, organize, dust my TV stand in my living room. I did not include vacuuming my living room as part of my weekly cleaning routine because I really feel like I do that daily, and that is something that I feel like our house needs daily. But as far as vacuuming, I do the kitchen and the dining room. Again, that happens probably 2 or 3 times a week, and as well as just kind of like the other areas in our home, like the hallway, stuff like that. But as far as my TV stand goes, again, I just like to get all like the little fingerprints and, anything that our daughter has left over the week and just give that a good wipe down, get all the dust out of there. And then the last part of my weekly cleaning routine is my bathroom, which you will see coming up very shortly. And again, not a deep clean. I feel like I need to say that because I just feel like there will be people that will be angry with me the way I clean my home. But this is not a deep clean. But my bathroom, pretty much what you would expect. I, take everything out of there, make sure I take all the trash out, give it the whole bathroom a good wipe down. I do not do the shower. That is more of like a monthly thing. I actually have a deep cleaning video on my bathroom. I'll link it in the description box. But I do scrub my tub with like some bleach cleaner and do the sink, the mirror, the toilet, and also the floor. And again, just kind of do like a general tidy up. So that is it for this video. I'm going to let the bathroom portion finish, and I will let some music play. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it motivates you. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I know you're telling me you're leaving, but all I wanna do is hold you now and hear the sound of your heartbeat. If there's a way to stop it, show me how. I know you're telling me you're leaving, but all I wanna do is hold you now and hear the sound of your